Here's my dad and here's my brother.
Hi, guys.
My brother's gonna take his tooth out. Show him. I bet they'll
tooth.
give him the shivers like you.
Show him the tooth.
Oh my gosh.
Is that
It's
one?
gonna be dead like my first one.
This one is
Go
almost gonna come
check
off.
that video. That was like my first tooth or something, my second. I'm so cold.
Okay, here we go. Show him.
I can't be cold. What? My mouth is gonna stay.
We'll hurry. Okay. Ready? Turn on so the audience can watch. Okay, here we go. On the count of 3, open your mouth.
No, do it with a different, less softer tissue.
Okay. Okay, come on.
So cool.
Turn on so they can see. Here you go. Open. Open, hurry. Tell me when. 1, 2. Wait, where'd it go? Did I pull the wrong one? Okay, tell me when.
Ready.
Oh, hold on.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ah.
You're fighting me. Here, you want to do it?
It's super loose now.
I know. All right, ready?
It hurts. Now he tastes. You taste the. Wait, is blood? That was a little blood.
You gonna do it?
No.
Okay, here we go.
Ooh, there's blood on my finger too. Let me see.
All right.
I taste the paper tower. Tower?
It's dry, huh? Okay, ready? Put your hand down.
Wait, I'm scared.
No,
It
come on.
hurts.
Put your hand down.
I heard it.
Okay, ready? Set.
You're free. Let me see it.
He's gonna pull it. He's gonna pull it. Show the audience.
I know. Is there paper towel on there? It's like he's like. Hey, is it blood? It tastes really good. Yeah, there's. Show them.
Show.
There's a lot.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna pull it or you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay,
There's
here we go.
blood on
Here
the
we go.
other tooth.
Here we go.
It came out. It came
Let
out.
the show. You're not even showing. Okay, show the blood in his mouth.
I'll zoom in. I'll zoom in. Oh my gosh. Let me show them.
Okay, we're gonna do look on salt water.
Oh yeah. This tooth right here, it's been just 1% loose. I'm like, for 2 months, I'm like, come on, you could do it, tooth. You could do it. And that's my brother. Right there, that's my brother.
Spit right down the middle. Right down the middle. Spit. Spit first.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you my Roblox account. I was playing Zombie Rush, and yeah, that's me. Comment down below if you think I'm cool. But I'm playing on my iPad, so I can't record any videos. So that's probably why I'm only recording vlog. And yeah, look at my level. That's so good. And here's a zombie just trying to get me. Look. Okay, bye guys.